Hello students, today we are going to start the exercise portion of digestion chapter. So let's start. Number 1, fill in the blanks with suitable words. A. The salivary glands pour their secretion in the buccal cavity. B. Food passes down the esophagus by peristalsis movements of its muscular wall. C. Carbohydrates and fats are energy yielding foods. D. Animal starch stored in muscles and liver cell is glycogen. E. Starch and glycogen are examples of polysaccharides. F. Fats are compounds of fatty acids and glycerol. Second, give proper term for the following. Number 1, an enzyme that causes curdling of milk in alimentary canal, renin. B. The juice released by the intestinal wall, succus entericus. C. Digestive action of bile on fats inside the duodenum, emulsification. D. The process of capturing and intake of food, ingestion. E. The finger-like processes from the mucous membrane of intestinal wall, villi. F. The enzyme that helps in the digestion of cellulose, cellulase. G. Inactive form of trypsin is trypsinogen. Then third, name one enzyme associated with the conversion of each of the following. Number 1, proteins in stomach to peptones and proteoses by pepsin. Then maltose in ileum, glucose maltase. C. Lactose in ileum is converted into glucose plus galactose by lactase. D. Fats into glycerol and fatty acids by pancreatic lipase. Then fourth, mark the odd one out in each series. Gastric gland, salivary gland, tear glands, intestinal glands, इसमें आपका odd है tear gland. Then pepsin, trypsin, chymotrypsin, lipase, इसमें आपका odd है lipase. Then C, dipeptidase, aminopeptidase, enterokinase, carboxypeptidase, इसमें odd one out aminopeptidase है. D. Bile salts, bile pigment, gallbladder, pancreas. Pancreas is the odd one. E. Esophagus, intestine, stomach, kidneys. Kidneys are the odd one in this case. Now comes short answers. Question number 1. Which juice is secreted by the digestive glands of stomach? Answer is hydrochloric acid is secreted by the digestive glands of stomach. Question number 2. Which enzymes digest protein? Pepsin/protease digests protein. फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स में भी मैंने आपको एंजाइम की जगह पे पेप्सिन लिखा है, तो वहां पे भी आप स्लैश करके प्रोटीज लिखेंगे. आई शो यू. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे नेम वन एंजाइम एसोसिएटेड विद द कन्वर्जन ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. इसमें मैंने आपको यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वाले में पेप्सिन दिखाया है, आप स्लैश करके प्रोटीएज भी लिखेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे बेसिकली एंजाइम के लिए पूछा हुआ है. राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट आर द एंड प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ प्रोटीन डाइजेशन? आंसर. द एंड प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ प्रोटीन डाइजेशन आर प्रोटियोजेस, पेप्टोन्स एंड लार्ज पॉलीपेप्टाइड्स. D. In which part of alimentary canal are fats digested? Fats are digested in the duodenum of small intestine. E part. What are the inactive forms of pepsin and trypsin? The inactive forms of pepsin and trypsin are pepsinogen and trypsinogen. Then F. Where is bile juice formed? Answer. Bile juice is formed in liver. G. In which part of the alimentary canal does the food become alkaline? Answer is the food become alkaline in duodenum of the alimentary canal. H. Which enzyme causes hydrolysis of fat into fatty acids and glycerol? Lipase enzyme causes hydrolysis of fat into fatty acids and glycerol. Why is sucrose solution boiled with dilute HCl before testing for sugar? Sucrose solution is boiled with dilute HCl before testing for sugar because this hydrolyzes complex sugar into simple sugar. Next, why does Benedict or Fehling solution give red, brown or orange yellow precipitate with reducing sugar like glucose or fructose. Benedict's or Fehling solution give a red, brown or orange yellow precipitate with reducing sugar like glucose or fructose because it reduces cupric ions of Benedict solution to cuprous ions and glucose reduces cupric sulfate of Fehling solution to cuprous oxide. Second part, give reason for the following. Number 1, man cannot digest cellulose fibers present in the food. Answer is, man cannot digest cellulose fibers present in the food because in man, cellulose digesting bacteria, that is cellulase, is absent. B, appendix and cecum are non-functional in all human beings. Answer is, appendix is a vestigial organ in modern humans and was functional only in our ancestors, although it acts as a storehouse for good bacteria, but in ancestral forms it served the purpose of digestive leaves and some other functions also. Humans do not rely entirely on plant material for our food, so it is poorly developed or non-functional in humans. C, small intestine is the longest part of alimentary canal. Small intestine is the longest part of the alimentary canal because it is the main organ of absorption and digestion of food. D, all proteolytic enzymes are secreted in inactive form. Answer is, H, why does intestinal wall bear so many villi? तो ये आंसर मैंने आपको लिखा हुआ है. Intestinal wall bears so many villi to increase the surface area for the absorption of food. I, how is bile juice helpful in digestion though it contains no digestive enzymes? ये आंसर आपको पेज नंबर 125 पे मिलेगा. So here it is. Now this is page number 124, not 125. तो ये आप करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा. ये पेज नंबर 124 पे मिलेगा, जहाँ पे आपको ड्यूडिनम का हेडिंग मिलेगा. इन ड्यूडिनम इसमें आप देखेंगे फंक्शंस ऑफ बाइल जूस. तो आप इसको बाइल जूस से लेके और ये लास्ट तक लिखेंगे, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे करेक्शन कर लेंगे. दिस इज पेज नंबर 124, ठीक है, 125 नहीं है. J, why are pepsin and trypsin secreted in inactive form? Pepsin enzyme is secreted by gastric glands of the stomach as inactive pepsinogen to protect the cells of these secretory glands from strong protein digesting action of the enzyme. The pancreas stores the inactive form trypsinogen because the active trypsin would cause severe damage to the tissues of the pancreas. तो यहाँ पे आपके गिव रीजन खत्म हो गए हैं. Now we will see the D part multiple choice question. C part हम लास्ट में करेंगे. तो first we will see the multiple choice question. Number 1, water from the digested food is mainly absorbed by colon. Then pylorus is an opening between stomach into intestine. Then third, gastric juice contain HCl and pepsin. Fourth, fat is broken down to fatty acids and cholesterol by lipase. Fifth, in man, digestion of starch starts in buccal cavity. Answer is, all enzymes are secreted in inactive form to prevent any kind of reaction of the enzymes with other cells or tissues. Also, enzymes are secreted in the inactive form to regulate the proper function of the enzyme. Now next, that is E. ये गिव रीजन का आंसर आपको पेज नंबर 126 पे मिलेगा. So first we'll read the statement. Why are enzymes essential for all living organism? तो पेज नंबर 126 पे हम देखेंगे. So here you can see पेज नंबर 126 पे enzymes and their significance to living beings में सेकेंड पैराग्राफ की फर्स्ट लाइन आपको लिखना है और पहले आप यहाँ पे बिकॉज ऐड कर देंगे स्टेटमेंट के बाद. देन यू विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग बिकॉज एंजाइम्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट एज दे डायरेक्ट एंड रेगुलेट ऑल द बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शंस. F is, why are enzymes called biocatalyst? ये भी आपको पेज नंबर 126 पर ही मिलेगा. सेम पेज है और सेम हेडिंग के नीचे फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ आपको पूरा 3 लाइन से ये पूरा पैराग्राफ भी आपको लिखना है फॉर गिव रीजन पार्ट एफ। जी, वाई इज देयर अ नीड फॉर द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन? Digestion is important because your body needs nutrients from food and drink to work properly and stay healthy. H. Why does intestinal wall bear so many villi? ये आपको पेज नंबर 125 पे आंसर मिलेगा।